Hello, first graders. Our target skill for today is I can name the parts of a friendly letter. Let's take a closer look. In front of you, you see a friendly letter. It reads, July 8th, 2012. Dear Lana, what did you have for dinner last night? Grandma and I had fish soup. It was very tasty. Later, we had oranges for dessert. I hope you can eat with us next week. Your friend, Ling. All right, friends, this is a friendly letter from Ling to his friend, Lana. Today, our job is going to be to label the parts of this friendly letter. The first thing you will see at the top of a friendly letter is the date. The date tells when the letter was written. The next part you will see is the greeting. The greeting tells who the letter is for. It normally says, Dear friend, or Dear The next part of the letter is called the body. The body gives details that tell what happened in order. This is where you tell your message or your story. The next thing you will see in this friendly letter is the closing. The closing ends the letter. Normally says, your friend. And lastly, we will see your name. The name tells who wrote the letter. All right, friends, now it is your turn to cut out the parts of the letter and glue them down to label this friendly letter. I'll see you next time.